guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new cleaning video for you. I am going to be cleaning out my refrigerator today. I'm really excited. It's been something that I've needed to do for a long time. Excuse you. Layla wants to be in the video too. Say hi. It's been something I've been needing to do for a really long time, and I finally have some extra time to do it. So Layla and I are excited to show you how I clean out my fridge. guys, thanks for joining me and watching me clean my refrigerator. I know that's usually not the most exciting thing, but it was something that really needed to be done, and I hope you enjoyed it. So please, if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. One thing that you've probably seen me use a lot in a lot of my cleaning videos is this amber spray bottle. So you're probably wondering, what am I cleaning with exactly? So my favorite cleaning solution for all-purpose cleaning is the Doterra On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. Why I like this cleaner is because it's non-toxic, it smells amazing, and it cleans just about any surface, and it gets all the gook off with one try, and I really enjoy that. I do sell these Doterra products, so if you would like more information, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. But I just really wanted to talk about this product in particular because it's a product that I use every single day in my kitchen. And like I said, it is non-toxic, so that is why I choose to use it in my kitchen, because I don't want any chemicals around my food and my food preparation surfaces. Sorry. So if you are interested in learning more about the Doterra products, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and maybe I'll do a whole video, or maybe we can have a conversation. Definitely follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram username is Time and Tenderness. So give me a follow on there. You can scroll through my feed, see what I'm doing, and you can send me a message if you want to learn more. But thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.